This morning the new kitchen is coming in, so I want to take a video of this before it starts changing, and by this weekend or next week I'll start working on this kitchen, so should be able to do it in about 1 month. I only have 2 walls to remake, the one on that side and the one at the back. The other 2 are already finished, but of course there's plumbing and electrical and all those things as well. So let's get it started. So the counter is out, and this was an addition. It was like they renovated the kitchen about 25 years ago, and used to be, so this is actually a gas outlet, and it's, as you can see, it's stuck in that middle. So there used to be like a water boiler above here, above the sink, and now they changed that, and now they got a boiler outside. So I have to maintain this tap functioning until I get the new cabinet, but I have also to remove the wall. So I'm gonna cut here to remove that, and that one I'm gonna cut probably on each side to keep it there on the wall until the new cabinet is ready. So this is the temporary setting that I did 2 years ago. So that tap is just holding by this, whatever you call that, kind of like flashing. And this is the greatest news, like the gas pipe. So where it is now, it's actually would be outside the wall that I'm going to put inside, which is going to be a 2x4. But thanks to this joint, so that pipe will remain inside the wall. So this is great news. Very happy about that. So hopefully they can remove that. So like the one line goes to the current stove, and that's going to be, I guess, capped, and I just keep that one going up. All right, that's good. All right, so I removed the old floor, and I put some plastic, keep the moisture away. And now I have to extend the pipe because the drain is going to be somewhere around there. So I have to extend that a little bit. All right. And that was the biggest challenge, is that the gas line, I had to cut around that. It was took a long time. So I finished the floor, and now I started taking on the wall here. And yeah, there's challenges, like for the floor, of course I have to cut holes around all those holes, and over there is the electrical panel that I have to walk around. So now I got to suspend that cable to the ceiling, and I removed that vent there. So it's coming along. So in the next couple days I'll be able to start building. So I think I'll start building that wall first, and then this one here. All right, the wall is down, and I'm just going to start putting the frame. And I had to attach this temporarily, right? And there'll be again a sliding door that way. right, let's go to the store. So you can see the cables there. So I was first planning to make some holes for each one of them, but then I decided that's too much work, then I'd have to take them out and put them one by one. So I just cut a gauge in there, and on that side I need some support because the ceiling will be resting on that. So I need some support. So it's about less than half that I cut off. So let's put it up.